How's it going? This is the cable tester project for audio electronics. Let's start. Alright. So just what we got here is LED battery. We got our alligator clips right here. We got our resistor. We got our LED. And that's about it. And later on we'll have our guitar cables. So first thing is the resistor, the max resistor or resistance for LEDs is 450, I believe. So I picked one and I calculated it, and this one is 2,200 ohms. So the LED, that's what we're going to start with. We're going to connect the negative of our LED to the negative input on the battery. Then the positive LED, or positive side, connect, flows all the way to the start of our resistor. Then our resistor back to the positive of the battery. Now, I had this thing lighting a minute ago. Let's see if it does it now. There we go. As you can see, it's lighting. Cool. Sweet. So now for the guitar cables. Let's see if I remember how I did this. Alright. First side. We're going to patch it on top. Now, I just hooked it up on the top, the tip, so it's going to run through the cord. Now I'm going to hook it on to the sleeve, and that's going to run through the cord. Put that end aside. We're going to get the other end, get another pair of alligator clips, clip one tip, oops. We're going to clip The alligator strip to the end of the resistor. Clip the tip. See if it's on there. There we go. Now there is no large ones left, so this is this might not light. There we go.